Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla. We closed at $319.41, down $2.26, 0.70% down. Post-market, we are down by a further 22 cents. Let's take a look at what we have here on the chart. Have we broken some patterns today? Let's take a look at this. So we are still into our downward channel. This has not changed. We are still outside of our bullish channel. This has not changed. We came outside of the bullish channel a little bit, played with 295, bounced on it, and now this is looking a lot like we are having a double support kind of thing. These things happen once in a while. So you see here that the two candles perfectly aligned. The stock is not as strong to go as fast as we were going right here. There's a little bit of slippage. We are changing lane. This is what I call a double support. We are following this line right here. The big test is going to come very soon. Very soon we have this bearish channel resistance. And then we have 335.73. We have 335.73 right here. So we are getting into the thick of things. And what is going to happen soon? We are going to have the earnings call July 23rd. So this is going to have a big impact, I'm sure, depending on the profitability of Tesla, depending on what Elon says and how he says it. Few things could be happening. We could be really bouncing on this and going lower, or we could be having a nice surprise and going a little bit higher. But right now we don't have stochastic over 60. When we don't have stochastic over 60, we should not have confidence in any move up that a stock does. So this move up right here, we should not have a lot of confidence in it because it's not backed by stochastic over 60. So this means that this move could be ending at any point. We could be surprised too, but the current trend is not really convincing. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour chart, we still have stochastic over 60. So on the 1 hour chart, there's still some hope. We have lost 321.18 after having gained it yesterday. So we gained 321.18, but now we are caving in, but we are bouncing on the 21-day moving average. So at least this is a positive sign. We could be testing 321.18 again tomorrow. And if we jump right into the weekly chart, yes, we still have the same downward channel, but on the weekly chart, we have stochastic over 60 right here. We have a positive sign. So long term, this is positive. Medium term on the daily chart, this is not positive at all, but it's still positive on the 1 hour chart. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX, what's happening with the VIX? VIX down by 0.6. This is fantastic. We are getting lower than our congestion zone. This is happening again. It happened recently right here in July 10th, not too long ago, and now we are caving in below. So we love to see this. This is helping the stock market. The bonds also lower today. We love this. The 10-year and the 20-year lower today. This is great. Dow Jones rebounding nicely. Look at this nice rebounds on the 21-day moving average. So the moving average is oftentimes used as a support. You see it right here. We have bounced on it again here. Sometimes we go a little bit further. As a whole, we come to it and we bounce. So this is what's happening right here. So maybe we are going to be retesting 45,075. If we do, this is going to be yet another bullish sign that the stock market is really going. SPX, this is nice too, 0.5% higher. We are hugging this resistance right here, climbing and climbing, so we cannot complain about that. Nasdaq breaking outside of its bullish channel resistance that is now becoming support. This is all good too. Russell, nice day today, 1.39%. The small caps have been tearing. We have a few small caps that we are following on Discord on the daily chart. We are looking at Tesla on the 1 hour chart on Discord, but we are looking at many other stocks on the daily chart. And all of these have given us, we have so many stocks that have given us buy signals. We have Palantir, we have Novonix, we have Neo. There are more buy alerts on Discord than I do on YouTube. On YouTube, I do the main stocks buy alerts, but what I do on Discord, which brings extra value, is that I am looking at an entirely new watch list. This is a watch list made of newcomers. So these are stocks that have a lot of potentials, but that have not really launched necessarily. And with technical analysis, we are so good at timing. We are so good at timing that we are looking at these stocks, and when they are ready, we bring them into our main watch list. The main watch list is already composed of great companies: Apple, Amazon, AMD, Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, blah blah blah. And I do the buy alerts on these on YouTube and on Discord. But Discord, I give something more. As I said, we have newcomers. So these are companies that are less well known, but they have great potential. And when this potential tells us that yes, there's something happening, then I give the buy signal on those. So Discord is the place to be if you want more, a lot more than what I am giving here with Tesla stock. And I have to be clear. On my Discord, this is not the place to get all emotional and get all excited and get all crazy. I don't believe in that kind of a Discord server. When we are doing technical analysis, we need to be logical, we need to be objective, and emotions have no place. So if you are looking for a Discord server where everybody gets all excited, this is not the way I do things. We need to base our decisions most of the time on logic and on facts. This is hard to do. The stock market is hard because it is easy to get excited. It is easy to get excited. Getting into Joby at $10 and now it's at $16 within a week or two. This is a 70% profit in 2 weeks. It's easy to get excited, but this is wrong. Each time I get excited, I make a bad decision. So this is the posture of my Discord server. Some people might find it quiet, but quiet is good. Having a methodology is good. Keeping emotions out is good. Emotions in the stock market are not good. And this week has been a particularly good week. If you are not making money hand over fist this week, there is something wrong somewhere, because almost everything is launching. If you are looking in the right places, we have stocks that are launching and we don't have enough money to chase everything. Yes, I wanted to explain to you a little bit what I'm doing on Discord and what type of Discord channel it is. This is a place where you have access to me. If you ask questions, I answer every question. So this is a great place to learn. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.